Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to uninstall apps on your Windows 11 computer. So this is going to be a straightforward tutorial on how you can install apps on your Windows 11 computer. So the first thing you need to do is pretty much find the apps you want to uninstall. And first of all, these two apps currently here, I'm going to be uninstalling them from my computer because I no longer need them. So to do that, you need to go over to your start menu or your search bar and type in control panel. So if you type in control panel, you're going to see this. Just click on it to open up. So when it opens up, click on this option called programs and click on the programs and features. So right now you're going to see all the apps you have installed on your computer listed right here. So the apps I want to install is this. So I want to install this Smart DAV version 12.0.3 out from my computer. So to do that, just click on it and click on uninstall. So pretty much your Windows computer is going to tell you if you want to uninstall this from your computer or not. So I'm going to click on yes, I want to uninstall it, and it's pretty much it's going to completely remove this particular app from my computer. So I'm going to click on yes to continue. So right now the app has been uninstalled from my computer. So pretty much that's how you uninstall any app from your computer that you no longer need. So right now, previously you could actually see that the app was actually here, but right now the app no longer exists on my Windows desktop. So pretty much that's how you do or erase or uninstall any app or programs on your Windows 11 computer. So if you found this video really helpful, please do smash the like button and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content, and see you guys on the next video.